Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great today. It's been a very fun morning so far. I've been tracking the electric vehicle market and it looks like that's coming back to life versus the decline that we had been seeing last week. But specifically today I wanted to talk about LCA, Lancadia Holdings, the momentum, some of the news, the product, and then the price action. So with that said, let's get started. Share the news with you first, as I think that's the most relative to the momentum. And basically, according to this article that was just written a few hours ago, imminent merger will drive more buyers to Lancadia Holdings stock. So if we look at the price action, which we'll review in more detail in a little bit, it's holding true that this stock is waking up. Based on a merger that's supposed to happen December 18th, where they're going to vote the ticker symbol into effect for Golden Nugget Online Casino. Right now it's LCA, Lancadia Holdings. So that's scheduled to complete the vote on December 18th. And it has the regulatory approval needed, so everything is pointing upwards that it's going to happen. And as always, just keep in mind that there's a risk. So if it were not to happen, then we would see most likely a steady decline in this stock. And based from what I've been seeing, and another reason why this is exciting is that since this summer with the SPAC popularity, the special acquisition companies, you've seen gains when these ticker symbols turn of 10, 20, 30, 40, or even more than that and higher. So that's what's going on with that in the news. I wanted to cover the product. So this is pretty exciting because I don't know if it's coincidence, but with the Rona and maybe others feel that traveling is not such a good idea. Well, now you can have an online casino and not entertain yourself that way versus going into a physical location such as Las Vegas or New Jersey. And the other interesting thing is that they have also sports betting that you can do. So they've got football, looks like, football, basketball, ice hockey, soccer. I don't know why they call it ice hockey. Soccer, tennis, and table tennis as some of the options. They also have live dealers, so you can do live bets. You'll be in, an online environment where there's an actual live person dealing the cards on the other side of you. So that's pretty exciting. And, for those of you that don't gamble and, you can do a demo play. You just sign, you have the option to do demo plays as well. So you save your hard-earned cash and you're still entertained by playing blackjack with these dealers. And another thing I wanted to cover is the founder, which is pretty important. He's a billionaire worth 4.4 billion, Tillman Fertitta. And I believe he's the owner of the here it is. Houston Rockets. The NBA approved the 2.2 billion purchase in October of 2017. So he's somebody with a track record, as opposed to some of these other SPACs that there's these guys that don't have a positive track record and then they launch a SPAC and the success rate of such a thing is lower. And it's I like to see somebody that's done something before. And the last thing I wanted to cover is the actual share price with you of LCA, cover what's going on with that. So here we go. It's had a high in recent days of $23.99 and looks like it's almost right there, just about. I'm using Webull. I signed up this summer. Right now they have 4 free stocks if you're interested in that opportunity. I believe you deposit $100 and then you have an opportunity to get 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600. And I'll put that in the description below in case you're interested. So here we can see it. It's been on a steady climb since November. And towards the end of November, it's been on a steady climb, up and up, and it coincides with the December 18th momentum for the vote of the company that we've been seeing. And one thing I like to look at is the RSI. So right now it looks like it's 66, but if it starts to go over 70, that might be a signal for pullback, or maybe you're a long-term investor. This doesn't matter. You're just planning to hold the stock, then the RSI won't matter as much to you. So those are the things I wanted to cover with Lancadia Holdings. I hope you've liked the video. If you have, please consider hitting the like button, consider subscribing. I will be out there trying to figure out in the next few days what else is hot out there, and I'll post those videos as well. So thank you for watching and take care.